Tisa Andy, nauna na. Hala. The owner of the castle is me. Tumawa na. Face reveal. 1, 2, 3. Guys, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, share, and
Subscribe.
Bye. God bless.
Greetings from Germany.
Greetings from Germany, from Bosco 1 and Bosco 2. Oh! Hey! Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. It's me, Oliver Kagas. I'm with Andy. Tingnan nyo. I'm with Andy. Aww. Andy. Sinasabi ko sa'yo dong. So ngayon po, so maggala po kami, maglakad-lakad kami papuntang doon sa castle dito sa La Aspa. Isama natin si Andy kasi kailangan din niya maglakad para later hindi na tayo maglakad-lakad sa kanya. Ngayon na lang. So hanggang mapagod po kami. Lakad na kami lakad hanggang mapagod kami, okay? Kasama natin yung ano pa rin, yung kasama natin dito sa bahay ngayon na okay. But later mag-face reveal daw siya. But later na lang ha kasi para may suspense tayo sa vlog natin today. Diba? Bakit ang bait mo? Oo. Bakit ang bait mo? So, but kailangan naming umuwi ng after or mga alas 3 kasi po may guest ako today. So, kailangan mag-check-in sila, no? So, kaya bumalik kami na wala pang alas 3. So, ngayon kasi alauna pa. So, may mga 2 hours kami maglakad-lakad. Mag-prepare na kami. At but before ako maglakad-lakad kami, may shout out po pala ako, Mrs. Gaspar. Shout out to Mrs. Gaspars. Shout out to Mrs. Gaspar po. Maraming salamat sa inyo. She's watching from, or they are watching from Japan. Wow, konnichiwa. Arigato. maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta po sa amin, kay Boss Juan, Boss Kuto, kay Andy, at saka sa akin na din, at saka sa Team Belmani. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Maligaya po ang puso ko, maligaya po ang puso namin, at andyan kayo para manood. Maraming salamat po. So ngayon po pupunta namin, maglakad na kami. Mabuti lang din po na kasama natin yung pamilya namin, bagong pamilya namin dito sa bahay, para magdala din ng vlog. Well, nagdala ko kay Andy, siya magwitwit ng camera. Sabi niya kasi na, don't worry Oli, ako magdala ng camera mo, tapos dalhin mo sa Andy para ako mag-video. So, ano naman, saysaya natin kasi may magbitbit na talaga na camera natin. So, let's go.
Er sieht auf jeden Fall sehr glücklich aus. Andy!
Bist du schon? Hi guys! Mag-ano ka ngayon? Mag-hiking. Hiking talaga. With Andy. Sandy hiking.
And me.
And you.
Bye-bye, Ollie.
And before we're gonna go to the castle, we need to walk in the jungle. Jungle, because I'm a monkey.
Okay, guys. See you later.
Because maybe they're scared. That one is this is the apartment for here.
Ja.
For the refugees, meine ich. Kennst du mal refugees?
Nee.
Das von Krieg. The dirty one in here. Over wohnen.
Okay.
Because of the Krieg,
Ja.
war.
Ja.
Then the people from that country, they will go here.
Okay.
And but now, go on that one. Look at the wall. No?
Kriegsveteranen meinst du? Der arme Kameramann. Ich komme ja schon.
Before ka guys, dito kami naglalakad ni Andy. Damals, no? Vorher.
Ja.
Wir waren Andy hier immer gelaufen.
Was meinst du mit damals und vorher?
Gleiche.
Früher?
Früher. Wir
Okay.
laufen immer mit Andy hier,
Okay.
weißt du? Rie hier,
Ja.
damals, das vieles gibt auch jetzt.
Ja.
There's a lot of Rie here ka guys, that's why yung si Andy, bitte Andy, then, okay, alles gut. Mein Deutsch ist kaputt.
Wort. Kagais, wir sagen dazu Wortfindungsstörung. There's a confusion in words. Ja, und der andere Kameramann muss jetzt wieder laufen.
English and then Deutsch.
Und Filipino. Filipino.
Jede Sprache. And before, if Andy wants to run here, no?
Ja.
Then he run here until there, then you can find a deer. And after that, I cannot see him anymore. It's like 5 minutes.
Ja, ich habe ja selbst einen Hund und wenn ich meinen Hund laufen lasse, running, dog is running, dann Hilfe, Hilfe, where she is.
So this is the direction to go to the castle. You can go to the castle if you want.
Kassel?
Castle.
Kassel, die Stadt?
Schloss.
Ach, Schloss.
Castle.
Okay.
And there's a two-way. You can go in the street, in the highway, or you can walk here, the jungle. But for me, because I have a dog, it's better here than in the highway.
Ja.
You know, because
Yeah.
the highway there's a lot of cars.
And it's
Cars.
healthier.
And here, only animals
Okay.
like me, monkey. So let's go.
Ai, 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 ai. Ich komme! Lasst mich nicht zurück!
So silang dalawa na naman ni Andy kasi pag naawa siya sa akin, sabi niya, ako na naman kay Andy be. Mag-exchange pa na tayo. Naawa siya sa akin kaya guys ako bitit na Andy ng bitit ni Andy. Siya naman. Siya, meron siyang aso din. Sabi niya, yung aso niya nakikinig naman, tsaka hindi naman kagaya ni Andy ba na yung mag-walk na super, ando na. Kaya yung aso niya, mabait daw kasi nag-walk lang ba, ano lang, yung tawag nito yung normal. Si Andy kasi nag-walk normal sa Andy na, pero mas nauna siya. Parang ginuguyod ka ni Andy. So, ang ganda na dito ngayon guys kasi nga spring na. So, yan yung mga kadahon-dahunan. Nagdala din siya ng bag kasi may tubig. May tubig yan. Ang ganda dito guys, no? Ang castle po ay doon sa ibabaw. Pero maglakad tayo dito, palibot, lalibot tayo doon, yung palibot-libot-libot hanggang darating tayo doon sa castle. Ayan. Okay. So dito kapag summer, normally ang daming maglalakad dito guys. Maglalakad kami na Andy dito, kasama sila boss. Dami dito ang madaanan namin kasi nga maganda din siya. Ito kasi din po, ito kasi nagsa-start kapag merong maraming tao na mag-hiking. Pagpunta talaga tayo sa dulo. Meron talaga dito doon na gitna na talaga siya ng kakahuyan o dito ka mag-start dito hanggang darating tayo doon. Na-try namin yan guys, ano yun siya, winter season naman yun na maraming snow, so ang daming magbaba dito kasi guys na sa Germany. Kapag maraming snow, kung saan mas maraming snow, for example dito sa berg na to, sa kakahuyan, doon ang mga tao na gusto nila mag-climbing, hiking pa, ano pa, hiking mas tawag no? So mas gusto nila dito. At na-try namin super maganda rin talaga dito. Oh, kasi nga grabe din ang snow dito, makapal. Alam, ang snow dito, mas makapal pa ang snow kaysa sa mukha ko. Ay, wala, naiwan na tayo kagas. Wala na yung mga tao na kasama natin. Saan na sila? Hindi na natin nakikita. Tingnan yung kahoy na yan, oh. 3 na lang sila, oh. Sana yung mga, ano nyo, pamilya. Nauna na sila. Bata! Wait for me! Ayan sila. Si Andy. Ayan, may kahoy na naman kagais na nakaharang. Kasi po yan, dahil sa ano ba no? Yung sa lakas ng hangin. Ito sa Andy, nauna na. Ala. Hindi na putol. Wala nakakita, no? Sa Andy, oh. So, guys, dito na talaga tayo sa ano, sa middle na ng kakahuyan. Ayan. Ibang kakahuyan yung nakita ninyo, no? Ayan. Pero malapit pa rin to sa amin. Hindi kami masyadong magpalayo-layo kasi nga po may guest ako, no? Na baka pagalitan tayo ni Busko to na wala tayo doon. Pero paalam mo kay Busko, Juan at Busko to na mag-ano kami, mag-hiking kasi nga siya nababagot siya. Alam mo mga German no, nababagot talaga sila kapag nasa bahay lang. Lalo na kapag weekend gusto na maglakad-lakad o kagaya nito ano lang. Ayun na, nasa bahay lang sila palagi. Gusto niya makita daw siya ng bagong view. Ayan. Hindi yung palaging sa phone, mag-ano-ano ba dyan. Kasi iba na naman. So, bigyan siya ng chance. Kasi chance of winning. So, nagpaano kami kay boss na kung baka kung meron ang guest, maghintay lang kunti ng guest kung andun na. Pero, wala pang alas 6, darating na din kami dun. Uuwi na kami. Oh, kasi nga, alas 3 naman talaga yung check-in. Chicken time. Hala, kukma, may bird, oh. Bit-bit ng ano. Yan. Malapit tayo sa kakahoy. Na, may strasse na pala yan, oh. Bahay-bahay. Hindi po nakakatakot ang jungle dito guys. I mean forest. Kasi wala namang ahas dito. Alam nyo, ang ahas ay nasa Facebook. Ay. Charot lang. Dalawa, oh. Suzus. Grabe, oh. Red ang shoes, red ang jacket. Grabe talaga. Marunong sila magdamit. Guys, malapit na kami sa castle. Sabi ko sa kanya ba, kung gusto niya ako na muna magbitbit kay Andy. Nako, giginahan na guys. Sabi niya, no. Ako na magdala kay Andy kasi nagustuhan na daw niya maglalakad with Andy. Huy, parang gusto ko na din ito mangyayari kasi parang, oh, sista. Kalapok pa dire. Saan man tayo maglakad? Dito tayo. Magfoto na sana siya guys. Tapos hindi niya na malaya na. Dito pala tayo sa, Uy, asa naman ko ani? Where I'm going to walk. Ay, here. Para mali yung ano ko ito. So, parang nagustuhan niya maglakad-lakad with Andy guys. Kasi nga, hindi ko lang alam. Si Andy ay uhaw na. Naghanap na ng tubig. Alam ko na yan. Guys, wala na kaming daanan dito guys. So, naharangan na kami ng... My God, sorry. My God. Tingnan niyo po. Naharang kasi siya, oh. Naharang tayo. Pumabait pa rin siya guys. Hindi siya nagalit. Ayan. Dito ako naglakad, oh. Tingnan niyo. Ayan. So. Tapos kasang action. So guys. Kanina po yung nilalakaran namin. Grabe talaga yung jungle na jungle. Pero ngayon, si Andy super fit lang. But, super si Andy, super dumi na. So kailangan mamaya, before siya ipasok sa bahay, kailangan linisan ko muna ng tubig. Paliguan yung dito kasi nag-swimming yan siya sa dirty water.
Ja, war meine Schuld. Ich weiß.
Genau. So ngayon, malapit tayo sa castle. Ade, nicht sehen. Ade. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo ngayon ang castle namin dito. Ang daming na ano ba? Ang daming nakasuhat. Mga paraphernalia. Paraphernalia. Hello. So tara. Uy. Pakita ko sa inyo ang castle. Ang may-ari po ng castle nito ay ako. The owner of this castle is me. Tumawa siya.
Ja, jetzt habe ich es verstanden.
So ngayon, ang
Oh, Star Wars!
I'm going to explain something. This castle is now turns to apartment of the students, international students here. There are a lot of international students from China, Dubai. Look, private gymnasium. And and it becomes an apartment now. A lot of from China, Japan students, you know. So they sleep here. And there's also a gymnasium here, a school right over there. Look. That school, that's the school of Uwe damals.
Oh, Bosco 1!
Bosco 1, that's the school of Uwe da. Wir können auch da gehen, komm. Na, wir machen jetzt Pause. Zuerst vielleicht?
Immer Pause. Olli will immer Pause machen.
Ja, wir setzen dich hier, guck mal. Look, we can sit here.
Good, we are back in 3 hours.
Guys, uwi na po kami ngayon. Babalik na pala. Kasi po,
Wait. 3 hours later.
3 hours later. wait daw. Uwi na po kami kasi po, malapit na mag-alas 3. Oo. So, kailangan nandun na kami kasi po, nagutom na siya, nagutom na ako. Si Andy nauhaw kasi nakalimutan ko pala magdala ng tubig ni Andy. Ba't nakadala kami ng tubig sa Andy? Hindi. Andy kasi, hindi nagdala ng tubig sa Andy. Matanda ka na, Andy. Alam mo na ginagawa mo. So, yun po. Kasi po, pala kasi may check-in tayo ngayon, no? So, napakita natin ang castle. Ayun, doon sa ibabaw. Ang castle dito. So, ayun na. Ay, marami palang nagbabander ngayon dito o nag-hiking. Ayan, tingnan nyo sa may tao sa likod, no? Meron yung tao dun sa unahan. Ayan, yan yung tao na nasa unahan. Pero meron pa talaga dito guys. Kasi pagpunta namin sa castle kanina, may group of people, mga German ba? Mga mga German, no? Grupo sila, nag-hiking sila dito. Kanina sa castle, marami doon sila kanina nagtipon-tipon. Kaya nung dumating kami, umalis din sila. Nag-giveaway. So ito na po yung direction namin pa uwi sa bahay. Ito. Guys, tingnan nyo naman, makakita nyo talaga ang bahay ng Laas. Uy, andun yung bahay namin, oh. Nakita ko. Das Hotel Bergau 7 da. Ich kann sehen. Da.
Super, jetzt bin ich schlauer.
Da. Das kannst du na siya sehen. Tingnan nyo po guys. Wow. Pinapasit niya si Andy. Ayan, nag-upo si Andy. Wow. Sabi niya ba, upo Andy. Umupo din si Andy guys. Ang ganda ng bahay dito guys, oh. Very, si Andy, oh. Wow, Andy. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Tingnan nyo naman. Dito na kami palaging naglalakad ni Andy guys. Yan, ito. Yung jungle na yan. Diyan kayo palaging naglalakad. Kaya alam ni Andy yan. Familiar na Andy yan. Diyan kami maglakad. Tapos minsan dito din, dyan. Lakad kami ni Andy. Ganda ng Germany, no? Ang ganda kapag spring or summer. Kasi po dahil sa mga kadahon-dahonan na very clean and green. Hi guys, linisan ko lang po si Andy ngayon. Andy ay very wrong.
Very dirty.
Very dirty. Patay ng tubig dito. Ang tubig na po na to ay galing po sa ulan. Okay, mahigin. What's ma? Water? So, fila! What's ma? Andi, kumayahin. Kumayahin. Tapos fila, ano ba to? Daming nakadikit sa ano niya. Sa, ito oh. Nakahoy ganito. Andi, 9, here.
Andi, bleib.
Okay. Guck mal. Pili. Andi. So, hast du es gesehen da, die Farbe?
Sehr schmutzig.
Before siya ipasok sa bahay. Andi, basta biskisag. Before siya ipasok sa bahay, dapat tinisan na natin kasi ano doon, mag-wata, mag-ano eh. Wala, hindi dapat tinisan sa adino kasi aso, ano dito, alaga natin. As the doors, yeah, is out. Dat is getrunken. Nochmal. So cold. The water is so cold.
Ja, nachts sind es ja auch immer noch nur 5 Grad oder so. Sehr kalt.
Warte mal. Andi, nicht trinken. Du kriegst gleich Wasser, ja, natürlich. Pero linisan na muna kita, ha? Kasi pa dumi-dumi dudong. Bakit si Lester? Okay, Lester.
That's the car wash. Oh yeah. Carguys, ich werde nicht gut genug bezahlt für sowas. Ah, geh weg!
So, komm. Danke. Guys, andito na kami sa bahay at saka iinitin ko lang tong pansit na niluto ko kahapon. Para ito yung ulamin namin ngayon. Ang aming plan sana guys, ang plan sana namin ay magluto sana kami ngayon ng curry. Ngayon. Pero dahil marami pa tong pansit, hindi na lang, iinitin na lang namin to at saka yung curry ay bukas na lang namin lulutuin. At saka bukas, I hope so na sila Ovid si Egbert ay uwi na ng bahay kasi yun ang sabi nila mga boss natin. So, I hope na uwi sila kasi na-miss ko na sila. Ilang araw din, 5 days na din sila kakasula sa bahay. Si Andy, na-miss na din ni Andy yung sila. Ba? So, initin na natin to. At saka, meron pa akong dinuguan na binigay ni Harvey. Andy, sana sabihin ko. So, yun ang kakainin natin din. Ay, tapos na yung ano namin, rice. Wow! Ito oh, luto ng rice. So, dyan lang muna kayo, ha? Guys, kakain na kami. Meron tayong rice, dinuguan ni Harvey. Wow! Pinainit ko na siya. Tsaka ito yung kahapon. Guten Appetit!
Danke, danke.
Danke, danke. Kain na tayo. Kain lang po muna kami, guys. Guys, kakain po tayo ngayon ng cake. Kasi kakarating lang po ng mga guests namin. So, ngayon, gagawin natin kain tayo ng cake. Ito yung na-bake niya kahapon. So, mabuti na dumating na mga guests guys. Nakatulog ako pag tapos namin kumain, nakatulog ako ng kunti. Super, ako, napagod. So, ngayon, meron pala kaming coffee. Meron siyang coffee. Wow! This is the day. This is the day na makita niyo po siya sa vlog. Wow! Face reveal na yan!
What is face reveal?
Dein Gesicht zu zeigen.
Warum?
So, face reveal. 1, 2, 3. Sag hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Hello.
So, ito na po. This is the face na gusto niyo pong makita. Ayan. Wow.
Kita? Was ist Kita?
They want to see you. They want to see your face. So, this is the face. The face of Big Brother. Gagaraan. So, tatanungin natin siya kung anong pangalan, ilan ang edad. So, I'm going to ask you. Are you happy that you're in my vlog now? Are you happy
Oh
that
my
you
God.
are you happy that you are in my vlog now?
Ja,
But
ja.
this one is new to you, no? Because you have no social media.
I'm not on social media, ja.
You have no Facebook.
Yeah.
You have no Instagram.
Oh, ich habe LinkedIn.
Only LinkedIn.
LinkedIn.
What is that?
Business-Portal.
Wow, business. Business heißt Geld.
Also, LinkedIn ist nicht offiziell Social Media, sondern eher ein Business-Portal zum Connecten.
Ah, so you have that, okay. So what is your name? Okay.
Ich war mal bei Facebook.
Ah, so you opened Facebook before, and now
Ich habe deleted my account.
you deleted.
Ja, because it's so toxic.
It's
So toxic.
it's like Buscoto Egbert. He said, "I'm not into social media because it's so toxic
Yeah.
also, and I have no time for that."
Ja, eher detoxing is very good.
Detoxing, toxic, and then detoxing, and then that's why Buscoto don't like social media.
Ja? Egbert
Egbert.
macht auch nicht? Okay.
But Uwe is in social media about ab und zu, nicht jeden Tag nur
Ja.
da browsing oder. So you have no social
Und
media.
deine Sachen liken.
But he has YouTube and then he's watching my YouTube. If he's in my vlog, no, he's watching what are the comments like that. He's always he was,
Dein Vlog ist in meinem Heimkino.
Then Heimkino.
Yeah.
He is the owner of the Heimkino that I showed to you before. We did a house tour, no?
Ja.
So,
Das Eis ist übrigens lecker.
and he baked this banana cake yesterday. This is auch delicious.
Haben wir gemacht, ja. Und gesund.
Ja,
Und
gesund.
wir haben keinen Zucker reingemacht. Nur Sugar.
So,
Ahornsirup.
so, what is your name? Do you want to know your name also?
Du kennst meinen Namen doch.
Ne, ich habe noch nicht gesagt.
Achso, du hast noch nicht gesagt, okay.
Ich habe nur gesagt Big Brother.
Big Brother? Ich bin. Hä? Was heißt das?
Big Brother, warte mal. Ich muss Andi. Erzähl mal Andi.
Andi! Tja, guys, my name is Joey. And I'm Big Brother? I don't know. Big Brother of whom?
Big Brother.
Großer Bruder von wem?
Von diese Leute in einem Haus. Denn du bist die große.
Ach so, die Geissens. Ich verstehe.
So this vlog is new to you, right? So what is your name?
Ja. My name is Joey.
Okay. His name is Joey. And he have two names, no?
Ja, Joey. Charles.
Yeah, Prince Charles.
Nein, nicht Prinz Charles. Nur Charles.
So Joey Charles, but he likes to be called Joey, no? Not Charles. Why?
In Deutschland sagen wir meistens nur den ersten Namen. Außer er wird mit Bindestrich geschrieben. Dann sagt man für gewöhnlich beide Namen.
Okay.
Ja.
So in Germany, bitte in English.
Okay, in Germany you say the first name only. So if you have two names, there's a, was heißt Bindestrich? Strich?
Slash.
Slash in the names. And then, yeah, you say Joey Charles, but Charles is only my second name, yeah.
Okay, but you like to be called Joey, no?
Yeah.
Joey is okay.
Yeah. For you, Joey.
Joey. But me, I have only one name in my name. Oliver. Oliver. So, ayan, nakita nyo na po. And it's because vlogging is new to you, no? Have you been there before? Or have you... Oh, ang hirap mo English na to. Did you make a vlog before with your face and then with someone? Like, okay, can we make vlog together? This is the first time.
Yeah.
Since it's your first time, ano niya si Andy? Okay.
Das ist mein Eis.
Yeah.
Das ist mein Eis. Guck mal, hier habe ich
Ice ang kinakain niya. So, since it's your first time, are you happy?
Ja.
Okay, that
I'm
guys
a little bit shy, but it's okay.
a little bit shy. Why are you a little bit shy? Because it's new to you, no? It's neu für dich.
Ja, ja. Und du weißt, Social Media is not my business. Ja. Wobei Social Media ist ja heutzutage allgegenwärtig, ne?
Aber jetzt, I told you before that, oh, can you show to Kages your face? Then you said direct, yes, it's okay.
Naja, ich kann verstehen, wenn wir viel Zeit verbringen miteinander und du musst mich ja dann immer rausschneiden aus den Videos. Das ist für dich ja auch nervig und für die Zuschauer ja auch ein bisschen doof dann, you know?
So,
To watch the videos without face, this is annoying. That's my opinion.
because
If I see videos without face, this is not funny.
yeah, that's
Oh, Andi's knurring.
that's what I did before without your face. Only this here.
Yeah.
That's why he told me before, guys, na, Oliver, why you don't show my face? It's okay for me. Like you told me before, right? Then I said, give them time.
Andi, was los?
But now it's a perfect timing that I'm showed to you, to guys.
Warum?
Because before it's not the right timing.
Geil.
Vorher ist nicht richtige Zeit.
Ah ja.
But now, hello Joey! Welcome to Kagai's vlog! Hey!
I'm happy.
I'm happy. Wait, Andy also? Are you happy also, Andy?
Gib mir mein Stück Kuchen.
Nein, das geht nicht.
Wieso nicht? Das ist nicht schlimm.
Oder Kochknucken. Er hat gerade gefressen.
Achso, ja gut. Ja und?
Ich wollte mir das ärgern.
Vielleicht möchte er spielen.
Auch.
Ich habe gerade eben mit ihm im Hof gespielt. Nochmal kurz.
Ah, okay.
Als du dann Mittagsschlaf gemacht hast. Er macht immer Mittagsschlaf.
Hä? In English.
Also Englisch.
What did you say?
Say you slept in the
In afternoon?
afternoon. Ja.
I slept today in the afternoon and then Andy and Joey were played. They playing basketball.
Ja, Andi spielt mit mir Basketball.
Okay, I'm going to ask you also, what is your hobby?
Hobby?
Yeah, what is your hobby since you are in my vlog now?
I like science fiction. Star Trek. Watching Star Trek.
Okay.
I know you hate it.
What else?
Gaming.
Ah,
You know gaming.
gaming also. What is your favorite game?
At least, I mean, in the last time Overwatch.
What?
Kennst du
Overwatch?
Overwatch?
No, ich kenne nicht.
PC-Spiel. Und ansonsten.
Gaming is not mine, weißt du?
Ja.
You told me vlogging is not yours, then to me, gaming is not mine.
Dann in meiner Freizeit beschäftige ich mich viel mit Ernährung und Gesundheit, wie du ja weißt.
He went every day in the fitness studio, no, in gym.
Ja.
Pumupunta siya ng gym, guys, every day. Aber außer Wochenende.
Außer am Wochenende, da esse ich Eis.
So, from Monday to Friday, he will go to fitness studio, gym. But Saturday and Sunday is Pause.
Ja, Free Time.
Free time to meet your friends, best friends, and eat a lot. Eat a lot. So,
Yeah, and I also have a dog, so I need to hike.
Every day.
Ja, every day, but wie du weißt, am Wochenende ja auch mal größere Touren. Ja.
Kagas may aso din siya, and every morning you walk with your dog, no?
Yeah.
Before you go to your work.
Yeah,
Okay,
to my job. Yeah.
we're going to ask you your job. That's the last question. What is your job in Germany?
My job is Vertrieb für Edelmetalle, also Gold, Silber.
In the company?
Ja, genau. Also wenn du Gold oder Silber einlagern möchtest oder als
No, in English.
if you want buy gold or silver coins or bars, yeah, you can buy from me.
You can buy from me.
From me with me,
Yeah.
and yeah.
Then you can get a 10% discount. So for example, I want to buy gold. Gold like for investment, no?
Naja, also ich bekomme halt Mitarbeiterrabatt.
Yeah. But for example, I want to buy Andy 10 gram gold. For
Ja.
example, no?
Stimmt, du wolltest ja 10 Gramm Gold noch kaufen.
Yeah.
irgendwann, ja.
Yeah, 10 gram gold. Yung gold kagas na hindi sinusuota, yung investment lang like coin or yung bar na itago mo lang siya, investment man siya. Uy. And then, if I want to buy to you, then I can get 10% discount.
Ungefähr, ja. Ja.
Okay. So kagas, if you want to buy gold,
Na,
you can visit. No. So your work is to make marketing
ja, Marketing and
in-
Distribution.
in the office, no?
Ja.
You make also this video edit.
To write or to write newsletters or phone with customers. Yeah.
But mostly you are in home office, no?
Nee, nur 2 Tage die Woche.
2 times a week he's in home office.
Ja. Seit Corona geht das ja ganz gut. Also
Ja.
hier in Deutschland kann man meistens 2 Tage Homeoffice machen.
Since
Und
Corona time.
Yeah, since Corona time you can make 2 days home office mostly in the most jobs and 3 days in the office.
So that's his job ka guys dito sa Germany. Because today is weekend, Sunday he have no work.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So
Nur Eis und Kuchen.
So palagi siya nag-gym kaya tingnan niyo dito.
Nur Eis und Kuchen, keine Aktien, kein Gold und kein
No
Gym.
rule.
Gym. Kein Gym.
So that's why you have your muscle here. It's big because you went to gym.
Yeah.
So ka guys, you have a brother also, right?
Yes.
And I met his brother before when he has this what is it called? Housewarming. House ceremony. So I met his parents.
Wo wir Sport gemacht
his
haben.
brother.
Wo du ein bisschen Sport gemacht hast.
Yeah, mission sport. Little sport and then where's the cake?
A little sport, yeah. After 2 minutes, I need a cake.
I need a cake.
Das war lustig.
So ka guys, this is Joey. Ito yung pala yung pinapakita sa vlog but half lang. So now, we're going to end this vlog.
Wie bitte?
We're going to end this vlog. Müssen jetzt Ende.
Okay.
So please comment down below if you have something to tell to Joey. Just comment down below. Tumatawa lang siya. Yeah.
Was?
You're only laughing, look.
Achso, ja.
Hey.
Thank you, guys. And
Please support Ollie.
please support Ollie and have good greetings for Uwe and Egbert.
Yeah, from Oben Egbert,
Ja.
genau. And Andy also.
Hast du gesagt, dass sie nicht da sind?
Doch, ich hab schon gesagt.
Hast du
Ja.
gesagt, ja.
So guys, we're going to the end of this vlog. Sana enjoy po kayo sa vlog natin today. Please don't forget to like, share, and
Und die Glocke abonnieren.
Look, subscribe daw, abonnieren, subscribe. Okay, and please don't skip
The advertisement.
alam na alam. Bye-bye! See you next time!